The Nigerian accent might not be as solid as you guys want it, but trust me, as we go deeper and into the video, the accent will come out, okay? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications. Now that we've gone past all of that, I just want to tell all of you now, if you guys like this video, if you guys laugh, giggle, if you frown, just like or dislike. Any engagement any engagement whatsoever is welcome when it comes to this video, when it comes to all of my videos. Like, dislike, subscribe, just engage with the content, guys, okay? For those of you who don't know, for those of you that we don't know, I am Nigerian 100%, and October 1st is Nigerians Independence Day, so I wanted to do something really cool, really fun, something just a little bit light, okay? The makeup idea within my hair today is green, white, and green, just like the Nigerian flag. I am going to try to make sure I keep it cute and keep it sweet. Honestly, I was going to just paint my face green, white, green, but I do not have paint. But I do have some painting essentials. I do have some brushes. I have my palette. I have everything here. I already did my eyebrow because of course we are not going to sleep here, okay? This video was inspired by another YouTuber. I am going to leave her name because I don't remember at this time. I'll leave her name on the screen. She's Nigerian as well, Major Energy. I think she's infectious. You guys should make sure you check her out. I be one go check whether other people don't do this thing what I want to do before. I saw her and I was like, oh my god, I have to do it. So we're going to do it. It's just that our own will be majorly broken. There'll be English, Pidgin English, Nigerian English, whichever one I give on, I make on a take them, okay? You guys should take it, okay? We're gonna be doing more fun stuff going forward because I cannot just be painting my face in the same way and in the same pattern every single day. I am getting bored and I'm sure so are you, so hence the video, okay? Now let's get started. I think I'm really getting into this Nigerian zone. I think it was kind of tricky in the beginning, but now I did get into one. Now for us to start, first of all, the palette that I'm going to be using, just so people don't ask me lots of questions in the comment section, this palette I do not believe has been released. This palette was a gift. I think it is a beautiful palette. You see how beautiful the colors are in there. I am just gonna be reaching out for the green, which is this one right here, and then we are probably going to have to use some other colors, play around with some other things. I don't know where it is headed, but I'll just go off camera real quick. I'm going to do one eye because again, we cannot sleep here. This is not a sleeping zone. We come here to do things sharp and be going, okay? As you guys already know, the first thing we have to do is to prime our eyes. So I am going to rub my P. Louise base. This is the base shade 3 or the rumor 3, anyhow you want to call them. You guys already know we have to pat this down, so I go just slap them, hit them, just continue to mash them until everything just arranged. You know what I mean? You guys know Nigerians are extra. We like to be a little bit over the top, or as over the top as we can be. So I'm going to make sure that I carry the base all the way to this side, because we're going to draw this long thing. See this long thing here? We're going to do the exact same thing on this side. You know that you have rubbed enough base when you begin to look like ojuju, which is what my people like to call a masquerade. I think we're looking like one now, so we can now dive into the palette. Now we already have a tutorial on the channel on how you can blend your eyeshadow. Make sure everything is nice and blended. Make sure that everything is matrimonious. That one's for the Nigerians that like to speak big English, okay? Now to represent the overall extraness of the Nigerian community, I'm going to make sure that I carry the green and I just carry it outside, you know? I kind of do like a curve and then I take it up. As usual, we have to make sure that everything is blended, so I will move on to this one here. This one is just a lighter green. There are small tiny motions. There's no rush. We Nigerians like to rush, but when it comes to makeup, you have to calm down, okay? After we don't blend this area finish, we will go with what they call them, cotton board, ear cotton, anything one of the column, Q-tips. Okay, and we go just clean up this area, clean up the crease as well. I go use the P. Louise base. This one is the Rumor 0. To separate the green from the white, I will be using this thing. It's called Duraline. It's from Inglot. And usually you want to use this one, mix it with an eyeshadow, and then it makes the eyeshadow an eyeliner, and then you can line your eyes. But today I was feeling like glitter, although the glitter ended up ruining the look. In a way it is ruined, in a way it is still perfect. Nobody will notice unless they come really close. But then, aren't they haters if they come so close? They are, okay? From this same palette, I will carry this one here. It's like white with green. I will mix it with this one. This one is kind of silver with some colors that are everywhere. Has very, very diverse colors, very different colors. But I will be mixing most of the white and the green one just because it really goes with the theme of it goes with the theme, I should say. Nigerians don't pronounce TH. It goes with the theme of the makeup. So I will put some Duraline or Duraline on my hand. Just a few drops. I put like 3, and I will just mix them. I like to use my hand as a mixing plate. I have a mixing plate, but you know, as a Nigerian, you just have to make things harder for yourself just a little bit, because if it is too easy, it's not a good enough challenge. Okay, before I do this, I will move back to this one. I haven't showed you guys this one. This is from BH Cosmetics. It's a contour palette, but I'm using the white one here because your girl seems not to have a white eyeshadow, and this eyeshadow is not that good, hence the reduction in the brightness here. I wanted it to be very in your face, but unfortunately this is what I have, and then we have to economize. We just tap all over the lid. I could just follow the crease that I've already cut, and I'll just apply the glitter around here. Aha, yes, looking really good, looking really pretty, okay, like my Igbo brothers will say. So now I already showed you guys how I always clean my eyeshadow, yeah, to cut the crease. I'll do the exact same thing. I soak the cotton bud inside the water. This is the micellar water that they use in removing the makeup off. So I'll just clean all of this because we don't need it, because we are going to do another cut crease. If you thought we were done, we have not even started, okay? We are still doing the eye. I've been doing this eye for 2 hours. If you are watching this video till this point, please like, I beg, like and subscribe, okay? Now after I don't clean and well, hey, Jesus Christ. Now after I don't clean and well, I will go back in with the P. Louise base. This time I will switch to the first one that I use. This is the Rumor 3. Now make we move on to the next level. I'm going to go back to the same green, this one, and I'll just apply that all over my eye. Now normal people will stop here and maybe put on some lashes and finish up the look, but as a Nigerian, you need to be extra in everything that you do. It's just in the DNA. You just have to flex and flex hard. So now I'm going to add some glitter. I'm going to spice the look. I'm going to add some extra Wahala, and for that you already know the Juvia's Place Wahala palette, and I'll be using Yanga. This one is kind of a blue and green, but nobody will know that there's blue inside because we already packed lots of green on the eye. So now we'll just, oh sorry, I forgot to apply some glitter glue. These glitters are really good. You don't really need glitter glue, but just to make sure, say they not come fall on top of my eye and ruin the makeup afterwards, I'll just go in with small glitter glue, the same one from Too Faced, and we'll just put it in the beginning part of the eye. We'll not put it on the outside. I'll apply Yanga. Now I want to make sure, say this side look good. I want to make sure that the ends are looking good. Okay, so I will go in with the same glitter liner that I made, and I will just, now to further show that I am Nigerian, I will make sure that I apply some green at the bottom of my lids, because again, we like to be extra. I have applied some of the glitter glue to the under of my eyes. So now I will go inside the Yanga, the same one from the Wahala palette, and I will use it to decorate the under eye. I just feel like we can put some white here in the middle. Now I don't have a white eyeliner, but we have this white one that we use on the eye, and we have the Duraline. So I will just mix an eyeliner concoction and I will rub it on my waterline. Aha, you see that? Correct. We don't finish work for here. Period. We're done. Now nobody can confuse me for another country, okay? I always get the, are you Jamaican? No, I'm not. I am Nigerian, you see. I'll have to go off camera and go and put on my lashes, because if I stay here and do it, we could probably sleep. We don't want to, so I will off my camera. I will go put on my lashes. I probably double the lashes today because, you know, and I'll be right back. I decided to go in with some voluminous lashes because volume, Eh? I see a lot of my Nigerian sisters wearing the 25mm lashes. They look good anytime I wear it. However, I can't decide whether I look good or whether I am scaring people away. The last time I asked you guys to tell me whether these lashes make any sense or not, I didn't get enough response. Many people did not like it, to be honest. Somebody said it looks like I have spider legs or spiders on my eyes. For oil, I will use this one from Amazon. It's for glowing. It's a glowing radiant oil, brightening, anti-aging. This thing has really helped my face. So I have a few other things that I use, but you can see my face is definitely brighter than it used to be. Hyperpigmentation, woo, woo, what? I will enter in with some moisturizer. This one is from Glam Glow. I decided to use this one today because it's green. I will just massage that one into my face. I want to make sure that the skin is looking flawless. I have not been color correcting lately because again it seems like the skin is getting better. I will only color correct my neck. I already have a full video about all these foundation applications, so I'm just gonna skip through it. This is the Born to Glow foundation by NYX. I am in shade Cappucino. That is what I'm going to use today. Now, Nigerians, as we all know, are natural magicians. So as I will just snap my finger and I will be blended. So no? Okay. The magic has been done, it's been conducted. We are going to move on to bronzer, people. Now for bronzer, one of my favorite bronzers is the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in Deep. This bronzer gets my life together. So we're gonna use this one to get some of my color back, put some life back into my face, make me look, you know, pink. I am going to move to the blush, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me blush. It is the berry blush. Just apply a tad bit of that. We don't have to go crazy because there's a lot of craziness on the eyes. Just a little bit. Or not. It's a little bit too much. It's too extra. Nigerians are happy people, but I don't know if we are this happy. So I'm going to go back in with my foundation brush and just press it down. We're going to bath in setting spray because we have to set all of this down. It has to melt. So the setting spray I'll be using today is from MAC. It's the Fix Plus. I'm going to move on to highlighter. For highlighter today, I'll be using the Trophy Wife from Fenty Beauty. It's been a really long time. See, you see this thing, since I bought it, it be like saying only one time I don't use them. I've used it only once. I don't know. So I dug it out today. We must use it. I don't know if it matches the eye look. It doesn't matter. We know how to make it work. Actually, I don't know. Even if it doesn't quite match what we are going for, I'll just apply. We need intensity today. To line my lips today, I'll be using the Morphe Trendsetter pencil. I just decided to overline my lips a little bit today for that Kylie Jenner effect. Now for lipstick, I'm going to be rubbing on Button from Fenty Beauty. Now you guys now have to saturate this with some gloss just to make the lips a little bit more kissable, okay? So now the lipstick or the lip gloss we'll be rubbing is Butterfly Kiss. Is from Morphe. And I know you guys think we are done, but we are not. We need more lip gloss. I am going to top it up with this one from Revolution, the Shimmer Bombs. I have not used this thing since I bought it. This one is Light Beam, okay? I'll just concentrate all the shine in the middle. So we're almost done, but I like to shine. I like to shine. So I'm going to rub this one. This one is the Revolution Glow. I don't know, I'm trying to see if there's a name for this one because I know they released a bunch of them. Anyways, it just says Revolution Glow, this one, the brown one, okay? And I'll just rub that in. So guys, we have come to the very end of this tutorial, the end of this makeup, the end of the painting. This is about all the finessing, all the accentuating that I can do. I am tired. Okay, my throat is dry. It's been a really long talking video. Honestly, I know the video is a little bit discombobulated, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. Okay, if you know you have not subscribed, let us table this matter. Auntie, uncle, I beg, subscribe, join my channel, okay? Because this struggle that we are struggling on this YouTube arena is not nice. It's not a good kind of struggle. It's not an easy struggle. You see that notification bell on the side. If you do subscribe, please make sure to turn it on. Put it on all, okay? You need to get notifications for all of my videos. The videos are lit, I think. But But anyways, make una subscribe, I beg. Make una no kneel down, beg una. Make una subscribe, like, engage, comment. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys know I appreciate you. I was talking to my sisters. They said Nigerians in Nigeria are not celebrating the Independence Day because it gets us the country be. We all know Nigeria. Oh my God. For 60 years, only God knows what the heck. What's the problem? What is it? It really gets us a country be, but to be honest, yeah, I feel like when it comes to Nigeria, yeah, we as Nigerians have to celebrate ourselves because it's not easy. We are very resilient people. We are always smiling, suffering and smiling for that matter. We are always hustling, okay? So I feel like the people is where it's at, eh? Like, the true gift of Nigeria is in the Nigerians. Yeah? Does that make sense? Yeah. Hopefully I have not destroyed pidgin English for all my Nigerians. First of all, people should not drag me in the comment section. I don't have strength, okay? Your girl does not have strength. I don't want to have to check you, boo, okay? I was going to draw the Nigerian flag somewhere here, but I don't reason I'm finished. Your girl is tired. What is the time? It is around... What's the time now? It's 8:34 p.m. Okay, I am doing this video. I still have to edit it. It has to be up tomorrow. As a dying minute person, I left the video till last minute. Everything here is last minute. That's why maybe it might appear to be a little bit scattered. But anyways, have a good day. Happy independence, my Nigerians. If you're not even Nigerian, thank you for watching this video. I hope say you understand everything while I talk. I hope you understood everything that I said. And if you didn't, I hope you had fun. I hope you had a good time. You know, this video as far as I'm concerned is just a cruise. I don't even know if the video makes sense in the end, but it is what it is and it's done. Okay, thank you guys. I love you so much. I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. For today's look, I gonna be I wanna say I gonna be using, that is so wrong. Even my pidgin is whack, y'all. Hey! Oh! You have to be very careful with the micellar water. Make sure you don't over soak your cotton bud because it enters inside your eye and the thing they pepper. If my eye is peppering me now, you gotta be very careful. Whew. Whew. Not gonna wait. I'm just gonna go on a break. I think I'm messing it up. Okay, let's do this again. Let's do it again.